I can trust a pal. I got lost in the mist and smog. The sad tramp bit the crisp crust. I can twist the lid on the jam pot. I can sip the hot milk from the flask. Ned kept the gift in a box on his desk. Tom must rest his bad leg, as it is in a splint. The slit on Pat's left hand bled and bled. As the cut bled and bled, the rag got red. I can step on a ramp and stand on a stilt. As I rest in the sand, I squint at the hot sun. I felt the bump as Tom's van hit the dump. The crab hid in the sand on the wet strand.